Wow, welcome. You're here. I'm so excited you found your way onto this landing page because it means you're ready to explore this exquisite program called Inner Alchemy. Inner Alchemy is a finely tuned system of spiritual and personal growth. Inner Alchemy is created using a vast array of ancient technologies and giving them a practical focus and step-by-step orientation to have some real tangible results. And that no matter your level of experience and expertise in the realm of personal growth and spiritual growth. Whether you've come with 20 years of experience or you're brand new in that world of self-exploration, this system, this program is designed for you to have major shifts, to connect to your infinite potential, and it has infinite possibilities to be used. It is a magical program that is designed following the medicine wheel and then broken up in two segments. In the first segment we explore all the ancient tools, and in the second segment we will walk a pathway together, an explorative pathway in which you will meet so many different elements of yourself, of your inner being, and you will apply these ancient technologies. And at the end, we're going to break down all the separation so that you can meet whole in yourself and authentically experience your inner truth, your inner purpose. This is what you're here for. You are here because you have a purpose. You're here because you've got potential you haven't met yet. You're here because there is something that stirs inside you, something that is just buzzing and you can't wait to touch with it, to activate it, to polish it up. So this beauty about the VIP program is the group. It's a sacred container. It's a place where people from around the world will bring their reflections, their own journeys with full personal responsibility, practicing to be fully seen, authentically experienced. It is a safe container to meet blocks and to also receive my expertise guidance in assisting your navigation through this program, because everyone will have their own unique experience with it. It is one program, yet you are your unique self with your unique process, and that will be drawn out. And I'm here to support you along the way. So sign up now, register here. Right now you can still get the early bird price, so come and connect before the gates close.